Welcome to our in-depth review of the Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach Golf and Spa Resort, a luxurious all-inclusive haven nestled in the heart of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. This stunning resort has been turning heads and capturing hearts with its breathtaking ocean views, world-class amenities, and impeccable service. So grab your virtual sunglasses and let's dive into what makes this resort a true gem on the Baja California Sur coastline. Let's start by talking about the accommodations that await you at Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach. Picture yourself stepping into a spacious junior ocean suite, where 538 square feet of pure comfort and elegance greet you. These suites are not just rooms, they're your personal slice of paradise. With fully equipped kitchenettes, plush living areas, and private balconies or terraces, you'll feel right at home. If your home happened to have panoramic ocean views and a team of staff catering to your every whim. Now, if you're feeling a bit more indulgent, and let's face it, you're on vacation, so why not? The executive ocean view suites offer a whopping 1,088 square feet of luxury. These suites come complete with a dining area, a living room with a sofa sleeper for those unexpected guests or the kids you couldn't leave behind, and a private bedroom that's so cozy, you might need a search party to get you out of bed in the morning. But wait, there's more. For those who want to live like royalty, the super executive ocean view suites are the creme de la creme. These bad boys come with a jacuzzi, because nothing says I'm on vacation like sipping champagne in bubbling water while gazing at the Pacific Ocean. All suites feature marble baths, cedar woodwork, and feather-top beds that are so comfortable, you might accuse them of being enchanted. And let's not forget the satellite TV, because sometimes you just need to catch up on your favorite shows while pretending to be productive on your balcony. Now let's talk about food because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation. Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach doesn't mess around when it comes to culinary delights. La Frida Restaurant is the crown jewel of the resort's dining options. This isn't just a restaurant. It's a gastronomic journey through Mexico's rich culinary heritage. With an extensive wine cellar and a national champion sommelier, you might find yourself becoming a wine connoisseur by the end of your stay. Just don't try to pronounce the fancy wine names after your third glass. Trust us on this one. If you're in the mood for something a little different, Zaocean Asian Kitchen offers contemporary Asian cuisine that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. And for those days when you just can't bear to leave the pool, we get it, the water's perfect. There's poolside dining available. Because the only thing better than lounging by the pool is lounging by the pool with a delicious meal and a refreshing drink. Speaking of drinks, the resort boasts swim-up bars at the pools and a cigar bar for those feeling particularly sophisticated. Just remember, attempting to smoke a cigar for the first time might not be as smooth as you imagine. Maybe stick to sipping your cocktail and admiring the view instead. Speaking of views, let's dive into the pools and beaches at Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach. The resort features 5 ocean view pools, including a unique infinity sky pool that's so high above the beach, you might feel like you're floating in the clouds. It's the perfect spot for those Instagram photos that'll make your friends back home green with envy. The resort also boasts an expansive private beach on the Pacific coast that's so pristine and tranquil, you'll wonder if you've stumbled onto a movie set. While specific water sports aren't detailed, the area is known for varied water activities. So whether you're into paddleboarding, kayaking, or just perfecting your doggy paddle, you're sure to find something that floats your boat, pun intended. And let's not forget the jacuzzi whirlpool baths, because sometimes you need to soak away the stress of deciding which pool to visit next. For those who like to stay active on vacation, we salute you. By the way, Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach has got you covered. The resort features a state-of-the-art fitness center where you can work off all those delicious meals you've been indulging in. And if you're looking for something a little more zen, the Harmonia Spa offers European-inspired body treatments, massage therapies, and salon services that'll have you feeling like a new person. Just don't be surprised if you find yourself booking multiple appointments. Once you get a taste of relaxation, it's hard to stop. The spa also features his and her locker rooms and wet areas, so you can continue your wellness journey even after your treatment ends. And for those who want to take their wellness to the next level, the resort offers signature Cabo San Lucas spa packages. Because nothing says I'm on vacation like emerging from a cocoon of relaxation, looking like a glowing butterfly, or at least feeling like one. Now let's talk about the little ones, because Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach is all about family fun. The resort features a kids club that's so entertaining, your children might forget you exist for a few hours. Don't worry, they'll remember you at dinner time. While specific details about the kids club activities aren't provided, we can imagine it's filled with games, crafts, and enough energy to power a small city. The resort also features a wedding chapel, because nothing says family-friendly, like the option to spontaneously renew your vows while the kids are busy making macaroni art. And let's not forget the family-friendly layout of the executive ocean view suites, perfect for when the kids inevitably decide they want to sleep in the living room for fun. We all know it's because they're scared of the dark, but we'll let them have this one. If you can tear yourself away from a resort, and trust us, it'll be hard, there's plenty to explore in the surrounding area. Cabo San Lucas is just a 10-minute drive away, offering nightlife and attractions for those looking to mix things up. For the golf enthusiasts, Quivira Golf Club, featuring a Jack Nicklaus signature design, is nearby. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try your hand at fishing, take cultural tours, or indulge in some retail therapy with nearby shopping options. Just remember to leave some room in your suitcase for souvenirs, and maybe an extra suitcase for all those impulse buys. Now let's talk about what makes Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach truly special. This resort isn't just another pretty face in the world of luxury accommodations. It's been recognized by Condé Nast as one of the top 10 resorts in Mexico, and with good reason. The unique Infinity Sky Pool is a showstopper, offering views so breathtaking you might forget to actually swim. The resort's old-world luxury, combined with hacienda-style architecture, creates an atmosphere that's both elegant and welcoming. It's like stepping into a Mexican paradise that somehow also feels like home. If your home happened to have 24-hour room service and daily maid service, that is. When it comes to events and conferences, Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach doesn't disappoint. While specific details aren't provided, it's safe to assume that with 744 suites and multiple dining options, the resort is well equipped to handle everything from intimate gatherings to large-scale events. Just imagine giving a presentation with the Pacific Ocean as your backdrop. Suddenly, those quarterly reports don't seem so dull, do they? But what really sets this resort apart is the guest experience. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 25,000 TripAdvisor reviews, it's clear that Pueblo Bonito Sunset Beach knows how to make its guests happy. Visitors rave about the tranquil setting, the spectacular ocean views, and the quality of service. One guest mentioned how the staff went above and beyond to help them celebrate their anniversary, complete with a surprise cake and a room upgrade. Another talked about how the kids' club staff remembered their child's name and favorite activities from a previous visit, making them feel like VIPs. It's these personal touches that turn a good vacation into an unforgettable one. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.